Hey guys, it's Katie. So as you could guess, today we are going to do a 5-minute butt lift workout using our booty bands. If you don't have the booty bands yet, you can grab them in the shop. It's a pack of 3. And I think since it's only 5 minutes, I'm actually gonna swap out the medium one for the heavy one to get a little extra work in. Today's workout's gonna be great because it's gonna be all standing. You can definitely do it if you don't have the bands, but oh my gosh, you're gonna feel it so much more and get more out of just that 5 minutes if you do have them. And since it's only 5 minutes, we're gonna move fast. So get ready, start standing. Core is gonna stay locked in super tight the entire time. If you're ready to lift that booty, slap the thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's go. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna take the booty band and put it around my thighs, just like a couple inches above your knee, wherever it's comfortable. You're gonna have to spread your legs out wide to start feeling that band working. And I want you to think about pushing your knees to the outside, especially when we're going into squats and sumo squats, to really work those abductors on the outside of the thighs. So as you sit, you push out, 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 and then squeeze back up. So the key when we're using the booty band, especially for kickbacks or different things we'll be doing, is to make sure that you're really focused on your glute muscles, all the muscles all up in here, versus your lower back. So you don't have to kick back super far. It's not about like how big you can go, but when you start feeling those muscles working for you, that's the key. So if you feel it, squeeze it, work into that. Even if it's only a tiny movement, it is going to make change in those muscle groups. So we're gonna start just with a squat to really help you focus on those glutes. To start, heels in, toes out. You're gonna inhale, sit nice and low, push those knees out. I want you to get deep. Hips in line with the knees, nice and low. And exhale, squeeze and push at the top. Sit down, push out. Inhale, squeeze, push the hips forward. Down and up, good. Squeeze. So same thing, even if you don't have the booty band at home right now, I want you to focus on that pushing out and squeezing up. Pushing out, squeeze it up, good. Down and up. All your weight is in your heels and the knife for the outer edge of your foot. Draw the belly button in and up, and exhale as you stand. A few more here for 4, 3, 2, last one, hold, 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 hold. Now, you're gonna start to feel it in your quads. Shift that focus to your booty, sit a little bit lower, focus on the booty, focus on the booty. I swear, mind over matter here, and push the knees out, out, out. Squeeze the booty. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale, let it go. I had leg and booty day in the app yesterday, and oh my gosh, that's hard, just that little bit right there. Okay, so now come to standing. We're gonna work a couple different muscle groups at once, but all in that lower body booty focus. So plant one foot on the floor, step the opposite foot back behind, get low, keep your knees stacked over the ankle, core is tight, chest is lifted. So you're gonna sit low, and then come to standing, lift that knee. Sit low and lift it up. This is like balance, core stability, and all of that lower body getting into the glutes. The good thing about this in this curtsy squat is that you're working the bottom of the booty, the outside. Good, down and up. Exhale, sit low, exhale. Give me 8. I know it burns, especially with this band. Woo. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Exhale, shake it out, that standing leg. Whew. Okay, plant the opposite foot, same thing. You're gonna get low in that curtsy. So sit low, make sure your knee stacks over the ankle, get down. Exhale, come to stand, lift the knee. Good, get low and lift. Down and up. Keep your weight in that heel. Dig it into the ground. Little lower ab work here too, lifting that knee. No, I always sneak it in. I got you. Yes, the booty is gonna work and burn, but getting a little bit of everything. Up, down, up. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, you got this. Exhale, shake it out. To like the end, I'm like, okay, knee, no. Just shake it out, good. Turn to the side. You're gonna get low, just in that same squat position we started in. Heels and toes out, sit low, good. You're gonna come to stand, kick back, sit low, and as you kick back, you're gonna kind of step back. Kick back, step back, kick back, step back. So we're moving slowly backwards, then we're gonna move to the front. Step, 2, 3, 4, kick back, step, kick. Good. Keep moving. If you have more space, keep going. Otherwise, stop, walk it to the front, stay low, and kick, squat, opposite leg, back. Woo, that burned. Hello, down. Chest stays lifted. Don't kick your plants. Now walk to the front. Good. Up, 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 kick. Wow, you guys, seriously, I'm trying to smile through this pain right now, but my booty is on fire. Back, down. One more set. Back, down. Walk to the front. 2, 3, 4. Kick down, back. Woo! I have a burnout planned. This is not it, but it feels like one right now. Back, out, shake it out, shake it out. Bring the legs together for a second. Compose yourself, because I know it's on fire. Last little tiny booty burnout. We're gonna take 1, 2, jump, up, double pulse jump. Yes, you only have about 10 seconds, you got this. Exhale, woo! Yeah, this does burn a little bit more. We got this. 2 more. Last one, shake it off, get rid of that band. Woo! Let's stretch out for a sec. All the way. Be nice to that butt, it deserves it. Woo! Get both sides. We're calm, our butt's relaxing. This is good. Okay, so like half of me is regretting choosing the heavy booty band and the other half of me is glad I did since it was only 5 minutes. You're gonna feel it the next day, sitting, walking, everything might be a little extra hard, but that's where you know you're making change. Your muscles, shape, endurance, everything is getting stronger. I'm so proud of you for sweating it through this 5-minute booty workout. If you wanna get the bands, I'll put the link down below for you guys. It's a set of 3, which is awesome because then you have light, medium, and heavy. And tell me what type of body part you wanna work next, so comment below. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.